Hi there. For this video, we're going to show you how to unarchive archived contacts in Mailchimp. Now, we understand that for whatever reason, there are times when you would have to archive some subscribers. Maybe they're not engaged. Archiving them helps with marketing budget. But for whatever reason, if you do want to unarchive them, we just have to go to Audience, and then we head over to this drop down here with Manage Audience, View Archived Contacts, and then you can select which contacts. You can select all of them, or you can select a few, and then simply click Unarchive. After that, it will ask you to type the word unarchive. In this case, I have it on my drop down, unarchive. Now, there we go. It's done. The contact is back on our audience list. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, maybe you can like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.